Open Windows Command Prompt as administrator to begin formatting your external drive. Make sure you select the proper drive before you begin the process of cleaning the disk. To begin, create a boot partition for your drive. Then create a partition to store the new image. Download the Inspire image from the links provided on the PDF. There will be 13 files in total. Please keep in mind that due to the file size, this may take up to 1 hour to complete this process. Once all files are downloaded, extract the files using 7-zip or an extractor tool of your choice. To combine all of the files, just simply extract from the primary file with the suffix 001. This will ensure all files combine to create the image. Open the extracted file folder and place the image file into the images partition on your external drive. Due to the size of the file, this may take up to 30 minutes. Unzip the file labeled after using the zip extractor tool. Then open the extracted file and copy the contents of the folder into the corresponding partition in your external drive. This should only take a few moments to copy over. Once this step is completed, the image creation is complete.